Well, in the last lesson, we did phrases that were related to cats, if you remember. Today's lesson, we are going to look at phrases related to our feathered friends. Feathered friends, which means birds. That's right. So we're going to look at phrases related to birds. And if you're ready, let's get started. The first one is going to be bird's eye view. It's not the bird's eye, but it's the bird's eye view. Well, we are not birds, but when we say we have bird's eye view of something, it means having a view from a high position.